Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my channel The Witty Turtle. And today we are going to discuss one question from the chapter Contract Costing. Yesterday I was going through some of your comments and I got a request from a girl who was asking me to solve this question. So in this question, the information given under has been extracted from the books of a contractor relating to contract for rupees 3,75,000. So what is this? This is your contract price, right? What all information are given to you? There are 3 years. The contract is ongoing for 3 consecutive years. So here it is given to you. What is the value of material? It is given for all the 3 years. Direct expenses, indirect expenses, wages, total work certified. All these 5 information are given to you for 3 years. Next is uncertified work. There is no uncertified work in the first year. In the second year, yes, there are uncertified work worth 5,000 rupees, and in the third year, it has been completed. So there is no uncertified work, and the value of plant is also given to you here. So further, the question is saying the value of plant at the end of first year was rupees 4,000. Okay. So what is this amount? This 5,000 is what? जब आप प्लांट को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो, when you are getting the plant into the contract for the work, मतलब जैसे आप प्लांट को ला रहे हो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का जो काम हो रहा है उसको करने के लिए, तो the opening balance of the plant, yes, the opening balance of the plant is 5,000 rupees, and the closing balance of the plant at the year end, at the end of first year, is how much? 4,000. And at the end of second year it is 2,500, and at the end of third year it is 1,000 rupees. It is customary to pay 90% in cash of the amount of work certified. Whatever is the amount of work certified, you have to pay the cash 90% of this. Okay. Prepare the contract account and show how the figures would appear in the balance sheet. So यहाँ पर हम लोग एक contract account बनाएंगे which will have the information of all these 3 years. And you have to make one pro forma of balance sheet, because we cannot make a complete balance sheet as liability, capital, all these things are not given to you. So what you can do? You can make one pro forma of balance sheet. So this is what your contract account looks like. Material account, okay, this is for first year. This is for your first year. Material account, यहाँ पर डेबिट साइड में सारे एक्सपेंसेस आ जाएंगे. What are the expenses? Material, direct expense, indirect expense, wages, and opening balance of plant, right? I hope you remember everything. So ये आपका बन जाएगा this much. And in the credit side, what will be there? The closing balance of plant. Opening balance of plant was in the debit side, and there will be the closing balance of plant in the credit side. How much is that? 4,000 rupees. So now you have to balance these two. So the balancing figure will be by cost of contract till date carried down. Okay. So how much will be that? If you calculate this, the total is 95,000 rupees. So if you balance this, your total cost incurred in this contract till date will be 91,000. And again that 91,000 will be brought forward here, right? So credit side में क्या आ जाएगा? By work in progress. Work in progress में how much is your work certified? 87,500, and there is no work uncertified, right? So now you have to do what? You have to balance these two. So in this case, we have already learned that whenever you are finding balancing figure for this particular step, then you're supposed to do what? You're supposed to calculate notional profit, right? But in this case, as this is the first year, so we are noticing a loss in this case. अगर ये क्रेडिट साइड का बैलेंस आ रहा है तो फिर ये क्या हो जाता है? दिस इज ऑलवेज लॉस. अगर यहाँ पर आता तो दिस विल बी योर प्रॉफिट, बट यहाँ पर ये क्या हो रहा है? आपका लॉस हो रहा है. लॉस ऑफ हाउ मच? लॉस ऑफ रुपीज 3,500. सो दैट विल बी व्हाट? It will be written as by P&L account. Okay. सो आपका जो लॉस है वो कहाँ चला जाएगा, वो आपका P&L अकाउंट में आप चार्ज कर लोगे उसको। सो ये खत्म होता है हम लोगों का ईयर 1 का। कमिंग टू द सेकेंड ईयर, ओके। इन द सेकेंड ईयर हाउ मच इज द वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस? ये जो वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस है यहाँ पर, दिस विल बी ब्रॉट डाउन हियर। सो 87,500 and then what is the amount of raw material? Raw material is 55,000. Direct expense, indirect expense, wages and plant. These things are given to you. Plant 4,000, how is it coming? See, in the first year, closing balance of plant is how much? 4,000. Closing balance of first year will be opening balance of second year. So, opening balance of plant in the second year is how much? 4,000 rupees. Okay. See, next it is given to you that at the end of year 2, how much is the what is the value of plant? 2,500. So this is your closing balance of plant. Now what you need to do? You need to calculate the cost of contract till date. So total is this much. 211,250 minus 2,500. So your cost of contract till date is how much? 208,750. 2,08,750 rupees. Right? Now this will be brought down to here. 2,08,750. And look at the question and tell me what is the amount of work in progress. वर्क सर्टिफाइड कितना है एंड वर्क अनसर्टिफाइड कितना है? वर्क सर्टिफाइड इज रुपीज 2,82,500 एंड वर्क अनसर्टिफाइड इज हाउ मच? 5,000 रुपीज. सो इफ यू एड बोथ ऑफ दीज, कितना हो जाएगा? 2,87,500. आई होप आप लोग समझ रहे हो. अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा है तो प्लीज रिवाइंड करके देखो, ठीक है? सो दिस इज योर टोटल अमाउंट, राइट? Now you have to calculate what? The notional profit. As you can see, यहाँ पर इस साइड में आपको बैलेंस कराना है. So profit is coming. तो आप कैसे इसको निकालोगे? ये जितना है to this much minus आपका cost of contract till date. So your notional profit is coming as what? 78,750. Now what you need to do? Notional profit carried down is this much. And now you have to bring it down. ये आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. And then you have to calculate this. You have to calculate the cost of profit that is being transferred to P&L account. ये आपको कैसे calculate करना है? इसका एक formula था, है ना? ये देखते हैं यहाँ पर. Working note. Okay, this is your working note. Calculation of profit transferred to P&L account. First, what you need to calculate? You need to identify what is the percentage of work certified. So, till date, what is the percentage of work certified? What is the amount of work certified? 2,82,500. See, 2,82,500 divided by the contract price. How much is the contract price? Question के starting में दिया है 3,75,000 multiplied with 100. It is coming as 75,000. Which is obviously more than 50%. So in this case, how much will be the amount of profit that is being transferred to P&L account? In this case, as you already know the formula, that is, अगर ये आपका ज़्यादा है, more than 50% है, so in that case, what do you write here? 2/3 into notional profit into cash received by work certified. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2/3 into notional profit. Tell me how much is your notional profit? 78,750. And cash received by work certified, there is a sentence given in the question that it is customary to pay 90% in cash of the amount of work certified. So, work certified का 90% cash दिया जा रहा है. So, cash मतलब receive हो रहा है. So, in that case, this will be your 90%. Let's calculate this. It is coming as 47,250 rupees. Okay. सो आपका P&L में इसमें से कितना चला जाएगा? 47,250. Now you need to calculate the how much you have to transfer in reserves account. You have to transfer 31,500 rupees into the reserves account. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. First and second year में कितना कितना आपका इनकर हो रहा है कॉस्ट और कितना P&L में जाएगा, कितना रिजर्व में जाएगा, ये आई थिंक आप लोगों का क्लियर हो गया है. ओके, सो अब हम लोग देखते हैं थर्ड ईयर की स्टोरी. ओके, ये है आपका इन द थर्ड ईयर. वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस कितना है हमें पता ही है, ये तो वहीं से बस ब्रॉट डाउन किया गया है. प्लांट का वैल्यू, मटेरियल, डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस, वेजेस, ये सब हमें पता है. नाउ यू ऑलरेडी नो what is the opening balance of plant? 2,500. So what will be the closing balance of plant? 1,000 rupees. Okay, so we have already added these numbers. इसका total हो रहा है 3,66,250. So okay, ये तो बस 1,000 you have to deduct and you will get the balancing figure, that is the cost of contract till date. This much will be your cost of contract till date. So again ये जो value है this will be carried down, brought down to here. ये हो जाएगा 3,65,250. 3,65,250. Now in the second year, how much of money have you transferred to the reserve account? 31,500. 31,500. So now you can calculate the notional profit, right? So now you can calculate what? How much amount will be your profit? As this is the third year and यहाँ पर जो आपका work है वो complete हो जा रहा है. So in this case आपका जितना भी total amount रहेगा that will be transferred to the P&L account as the profit. So yes, now just add these two numbers. 375,000 plus 315,000, 406,500. Now simply deduct this from this. Minus 365,250. So your profit is coming as 41,250 rupees, right? 41,250 rupees. Now coming to the question, in the question it is also said that you have to make one balance sheet, right? You have to make one balance sheet. So यहाँ पर हमें liability side में तो कुछ पता नहीं है. So this is for your first year, this is for your second year, and this is for your third year. So in the first year, what is the amount of work in progress? 87,500. उसमें से you have to deduct the amount of cash received. How will you calculate that? 90%. So यहाँ पर इसका difference कितना आ जाएगा? The difference will be 8,750. Obviously, if this is 90%, then the difference will be how much? 10% only, right? And plant value. Plant is obviously an asset, so उसका closing value यहाँ पर लिखा जाएगा. Next is your second year. In your second year, your total work in progress is this much, but out of that, work certified is how much? 2,82,500. And 2,82,500 का जो 90% है, that is what? That is 2,54,250 rupees. So if you deduct 90% of work certified, then your balance will be 33,250. You also know the balance of reserves, that is 31,500. Now deduct these two, जो भी आएगा, and plant का तो आपको पता ही है, that is how much? 2,500 rupees. And third year में हमें ज़्यादा कुछ information है नहीं, और क्योंकि contract जो है वो ख़त्म हो रहा है, so you'll only have the plant. Plant का value आ जाएगा यहाँ पर 1,000 rupees. क्लोजिंग वैल्यू आ जाएगा 1,000 रुपीज. सो ये आपका बेसिकली एक प्रोफॉर्मा ऑफ बैलेंस शीट है. ओके, आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू, एंड अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी डाउट है इस क्वेश्चन में तो प्लीज़ उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताएं। और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया, ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आया तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, इसे अपने सीएमए इंटर के दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए, मेरे चैनल द विटी टॉटल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो उसका नाम है द विटी टॉटल। आप टेलीग्राम पर सर्च कर सकते हैं या फिर आप जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया हुआ है उसी से उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।